The remarkable synergy of artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain technologies is ushering in a new era of possibilities, transforming industries, and paving the way for profitable ventures. The convergence of these cutting-edge technologies transcends the realm of science fiction and presents a myriad of opportunities for businesses, investors, and entrepreneurs alike. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the intricate connection between AI and blockchain, elucidate their combined potential, and shed light on the avenues of passive income and long-term financial gains that await pioneers in this dynamic landscape. The power of AI elevating blockchain. At the core of this revolutionary partnership lies AI's unparalleled ability to analyze massive datasets and learn from them. Much like the human mind processes information to gain insights and draw conclusions, AI can glean valuable patterns and knowledge from colossal amounts of data. This data-driven intelligence enhances the functionality and efficiency of blockchain networks. The decentralized and shared control nature of blockchains, combined with AI's data processing prowess, renders the technology more comprehensible and efficient for human users. As developers share intellectual property and test models on an exchange, the growth potential of AI is accelerated, leading to increased profits. Furthermore, the immutable and transparent nature of blockchain enables easy tracing of AI-driven decisions, instilling trust and confidence in AI applications. Expanding AI and blockchain applications. The fusion of AI and blockchain has paved the way for transformative applications in diverse industries, fundamentally altering the way we interact with technology and conduct business. Cryptocurrency trading. The volatile and emotional nature of the cryptocurrency market has presented challenges for traders seeking consistent profitability. AI-driven cryptobots like CryptoHopper and AutoNeo are revolutionizing trading by deploying sophisticated algorithms to predict market trends and execute trades with precision. By eliminating emotional biases and relying on data-backed strategies, traders increase their chances of success and sustainable profitability. Music streaming revolution. The music industry has been witnessing a paradigm shift with blockchain-based platforms like MusicLife. Leveraging AI, these platforms ensure fair compensation for artists through smart contracts that facilitate automatic payments for music streams. Additionally, AI-powered pricing models dynamically adjust song prices based on market playback data, empowering artists with greater revenue opportunities and ownership of their creative work. Avatar-based legacies. Everlife's avatars are redefining the concept of legacies, merging AI with blockchain to create digital personas that outlast their creators. With machine learning capabilities and smart contracts, these avatars can perform tasks, generate passive income through Ever tokens, and even conduct interviews to record personal histories for future generations. This convergence of AI and blockchain creates a bridge between past and future, preserving the essence of individuals for generations to come. Unraveling the potential future. Experts predict that the combined impact of AI, blockchain, and the Internet of Things, IoT, will reshape industries and revolutionize the global economy. Drawing parallels to the transformative impact of social, mobile, and cloud-based services in the past decade, these converging technologies hold the promise of reshaping the fabric of modern society. A look ahead. Innovations on the horizon. As the world embraces the profound potential of AI and blockchain, pioneers and forward-thinking individuals stand at the forefront of groundbreaking innovations. The interplay of these technologies opens doors to new ventures and passive income streams that have the potential to shape our lives and the global economy. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. Blockchain technology facilitates the creation of DAOs, self-governing organizations powered by smart contracts and AI algorithms. DAOs enable efficient decision-making, resource allocation, and profit sharing among stakeholders, eliminating the need for traditional hierarchical structures. AI-powered supply chain management. The integration of AI and blockchain in supply chain management enhances transparency, traceability, and efficiency. AI-driven analytics optimize inventory management, predict demand, and streamline logistics, leading to cost savings and improved customer satisfaction. Enhanced security and privacy. AI enhances the security of blockchain networks by detecting and mitigating threats through real-time monitoring. Additionally, AI can bolster privacy measures by enhancing the performance of cryptographic functions, safeguarding sensitive information. AI-based tokenomics. AI algorithms can optimize tokenomics, ensuring a fair distribution of tokens and fostering community growth and engagement within blockchain ecosystems. These algorithms can adapt based on user behavior and market conditions, promoting long-term sustainability and viability. Conclusion. The convergence of artificial intelligence and blockchain technologies heralds a new era of boundless opportunities and passive income streams. Beyond revolutionizing industries like cryptocurrency trading and music streaming, this partnership has given rise to avatar-based legacies, preserving the essence of individuals for future generations. As we stand on the precipice of a transformative future, the visionary minds of today have the power to harness the potential of AI and blockchain, unlocking unprecedented growth and prosperity. Embracing the fusion of these technologies, crypto enthusiasts and entrepreneurs can forge a path toward a world where innovations transcend boundaries, economies thrive on transparency and efficiency, and humanity benefits from unprecedented progress. With courage, innovation, and strategic vision, pioneers can reshape the course of history and create a legacy that extends far beyond their lifetimes. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our content with your friends and family.